Welcome to Rapid Renew. We are proud to introduce FEED-EPCM, the innovative fast-track project delivery model designed to accelerate the development of renewable energy projects, playing a pivotal role in driving the global energy transition towards a sustainable future. With our front-end engineering design expertise seamlessly integrated with our engineering, procurement, and construction management contract, we offer a streamlined and efficient contracting approach to renewable energy project delivery. FEED-EPCM not only optimizes project timelines, but also ensures cost-effectiveness and high-performance outcomes. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies and a team of seasoned professionals, we empower clients to navigate the complexities of renewable energy development swiftly and with confidence. Join us in shaping a cleaner, greener tomorrow with FEED-EPCM strategy, your fast track to climate solutions and a sustainable energy landscape. We collaborate with world-class EPC contractors renowned for their proven track records in delivering successful renewable energy projects globally. By leveraging these strategic partnerships, we ensure a seamless integration of expertise, efficiency, and reliability into every phase of project execution. Utilization of standard FEED contracts not only streamlines contractual processes, but also guarantees substantial cost savings without compromising on health, safety, environment, and quality standards. Renewable energy project developers and investors face many challenges during framing of their business opportunities and developing of their projects. One is the number of contracts and agreements that need to be prepared and tendered. For the pre-FEED, FEED, and EPCM contracts, this can take between 9 to 18 months and costs can range from few million to double digits figures, depending on project size and complexity. Deploying a single-source FEED-EPCM contracting strategy before the pre-FEED phase eliminates the tendering time required for FEED, and thereafter, the tendering for the EPC contract. This strategy enables a more seamless transfer from FEED to final investment decision, followed by financial close and then the EPC execution phase. This results in significant shorter development time and lower cost. By using pre-drafted FEED agreement and EPCM contract, also contract development time and cost are eliminated and only the project-specific requirements need to be adjusted. The general conditions are sourced from the International Federation of Consulting Engineers, which are robust and proven contracts. The EPCM, based on the FEED Yellow Book contract, includes flexible pricing models from cost-plus incentive fee to progressive lump sum, which is attractive for EPC contractors. The FEED-EPCM strategy is repeatable for project portfolio growth objectives. The two-contract approach enables possible change to competitive EPC lump sum tendering after FEED or even cancel and exit the project. To find out how to implement the FEED-EPCM strategy, please watch to the end and please like and subscribe. First, we need to frame our business opportunity and decide if we want to start the project development, which is called the front-end loading process. In FEL1 phase, we have to build up our team and perform conceptual engineering and various feasibility studies which will deliver a basis of design package. If the project is still viable, then we can proceed to the FEL2 phase, in which the basic design is prepared with the assistance of an engineering contractor and other suppliers and consultants. This phase is also called the pre-FEED and delivers a pre-FEED package which contains the basic design. Next, we proceed to the FEL3 phase, in which the selected FEED contractor will perform front-end engineering and design services to prepare the FEED package, including Class 2 cost estimate and a P50 project schedule. The project owner thereafter takes its final investment decision. Early determination of the FEED-EPCM contracting strategy happens during Step 1, 2, and 3. Thereafter, the strategy is tested with key EPCM contractors to confirm its feasibility. Once approved, the FEED-EPCM contract templates can be obtained and adjusted as required for the project. Next, the sourcing process can be conducted either on single source or competitive tender basis in order to select the FEED-EPCM contractor. During the FEED preparation, the parties formulate and negotiate the EPCM contract documents. If a positive final investment decision is taken, then the EPCM contract can be awarded, followed by contract kickoff meeting and execution until contract completion and handover. Thank you for watching our FEED-EPCM strategy video. Please visit contractmanagementworkshop.com for more information. Contact our partner Aratus for questions about ordering templates and pricing.